I thought to show you unboxing of it. चलो इसे unbox करते हैं. Okay. So I'm finding my scissor where it is. So it's my study table. No, you can't say it's a study table. It's just a table beside my bed. And here I got the scissor. You can see all the messy things. Well, आज ही मैं घर से आई हूँ, so मैंने कुछ भी एडजस्ट नहीं किया, बहुत ही थक गई थी. और ये मैं चिप्स खा रही थी. मेरी ये टैब चार्जिंग में लगी है. ओके फाइन, अभी मैं दिखाऊंगी सब कुछ अपने रूम के रिलेटेड. फर्स्ट अनबॉक्सिंग देखते हैं इसका. आई गॉट दिस सीजर. अब इसका अनबॉक्सिंग करते हैं. इट्स वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू होल्ड phone in one hand and cut this. Okay, so let me find a good position for my phone. So wait a second. I hope कि आप देख पा रहे हो. I'm looking good in this because अब जस्ट मैं सो के उठी है ना. थॉट कि चलो जल्दी से अनबॉक्सिंग करते हैं. वेल, ओपन हो गया सब कुछ. और इसका एक रैपिंग ओपन करना है. I'm too excited for it. Like मैंने बहुत दिन से वेट किया इस नोट्स के लिए. Finally I got this. I was so excited ना कि मैंने ड्रीम में भी मैं देख रही थी मैं अनबॉक्सिंग कर रही हूँ. So मैं सो के उठ के डायरेक्ट ओके फाइनली ब्लू बॉक्स Marrow. So what here it is written, you can see Marrow notes. I'm not finding a good position where I can stand my phone. Okay, so you can see this blue box. Ow, it's too heavy. Can't even take it. And it's empty. So while opening this box, I got this greeting card from the Marrow. And here you see you have what all the things are written, like everything what you have to study and all. And what is there in this envelope? Sticker, this bookmark, and much more things are there. This is the sticky notes and so much bookmarks. So finally I'm opening this box. Nice to meet you. There is the greeting message. So you can see there is a huge box in this. And I don't think that ये एक जन्म में पढ़ना है. Okay, so let me open this. I just request non-med को देखे ही ना ऐसे, because उन्हें लगेगा कि क्या MBBS वाले ऐसे एक जन्म में पढ़ते हैं. Okay, finally I'm opening this. This first book is psychiatrist. मतलब वो सोचते हैं लोग पागल हो जाएंगे इसलिए पहली बुक ये है. Biochemistry first year book. This is pharma first year. This is orthopedics, final year. So next bundle, here it is. Okay, fine. This is forensic medicine, which will be useful in both the second year and final year. This is gynecology, again final year subject. And this is microbiology, जो most hated subject और ये second year. This is ops, final year. Again, next bundle. This is a patho book. This is volume 1, means you will get 2 volume of it. Volume 1, volume 2, it is of second year. Anatomy volume 2, again you are getting 2 book of this. That is anatomy first year subject. And one more microbiome book, volume 2. Now next bundle. So many books. This is surgery. Final year subject, volume 1. Again you will get another volume. Radiology final year, and here is another volume of surgery. You can see the cover page. It's so good quality, and pages are also good quality. So, opening my next bundle, second last bundle. One more bundle is left. This is ENT, which you are going to study in third year. This is ophthalmo. This is pedia, बच्चों वाली बुक, final year subject. And this is physio, first year subject. So many books you can see. Now the last bundle, volume 1, final year subject, community medicine, third year subject. This is anesthesia, final year subject, and this is community medicine. And one more book is there, like dermatology, which is final year subject. So you can see the how much books are there, and again another sets are left, which I don't know when it will come. If that set will contain only the book of medicine, so you can see एक जन्म में पढ़ना है. अब जाते हैं नोट्स के अंदर. यू कैन सी कवर पेज कितना काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है. दैन दिस इज़ कॉमेंट बुक. हियर इट इज़ इंडेक्स. क्वालिटी ऑफ पेजेस आर ऑल्सो फाइन एंड गुड. इट विल नॉट स्ट्रेस योर आईज. And this is the first chapter. You can see there is a color notes, whatever important in this marked with red, and colored pictures are also there. So all overall wonderful notes. Thank you, Marrow.